Hey guys, if you're unable to launch your games via the EA app, or you're unable to actually launch the EA app itself, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you need to do is just close out of the application, and then we're going to right click on the EA shortcut, click on Properties, select Compatibility, and make sure Run this program as administrator is checked, and then press Apply and OK. You can then try double clicking on EA and checking to see if that solves your issue. If that's not working, head over to your Start menu and just search for Run and then click on the Run icon. In this search box, type in %, local app data %, and hit enter. And then scroll down until you see the Electronic Arts folder. So what you need to do is right click on Electronic Arts and select the trash icon to delete it. If it says that it's already open, that's because the application is still running in the background, so you'll need to right click it on your taskbar and select Exit. Then you can simply press Try Again, and that should go ahead and delete. You also want to do the same for EA Launcher Helper as well, just by right clicking and pressing the trash icon. And then once you've done that, you can try relaunching the app and checking if that solved your issue. Now, if that's still not working, head over to your Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, click on Time and Language, select Date and Time Zone, and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on and enabled, and then we're going to scroll down and click on this Sync Now button. Once you've done that, you can check again to see if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, the last solution is to click on your Start menu and search for Windows Defender, and click on the Windows Defender Firewall. Now, from the left-hand side, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and then next to Private Network Settings, press Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and do the same for Public Network Settings as well, and then just go and press OK. Now, I don't recommend to keep these settings off, but you can try launching up EA and checking if that solves your issue. Just make sure once you finish gaming, you come back over to here and turn the firewall back on. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.